Will AI and robots replace toys, the future of play? Remember when kids played with toys and board games? Well, that's changing fast. Soon, they'll be playing with AI and robots. The next generation will grow up with smart toys, AI tutors, and robotic friends that learn, adapt, and even respond to emotions. AI can enhance creativity, personalize learning, and even help kids code and invent new things. But here's the big question. Will kids still enjoy real-world play, or will screens, AI, and robots take over their childhood? As cool as AI is, parents will need to find a balance between tech-driven play and real-world interactions. And let's not forget about privacy risks and AI bias. We must teach kids to use AI responsibly. Like it or not, the future generation will be AI native. AI isn't just changing how kids play, it's shaping how they think, learn, and interact. Is this a dream or a dystopia? You decide. Should kids be playing with AI or should we be worried? So what do you think? Is AI-driven childhood a good or bad thing? Let's talk in the comments. Hit like if you love tech, subscribe for more AI insights. See you in the future.